There, so here is Saturn app where you can schedule time together with your friends and in your school. And then, yeah, so here you can just read these instructions. So there are new lock screen widgets. Tap and hold down on your lock screen until the customize button appears. Tap the box above, tap the Saturn icon and drag the Saturn widgets that you want to add, tap done. So I will just show in this tutorial how to use it. So yeah, also there is countdown to summer widget, which you can also try. But yeah, so what you can do, you can install these lock screen widgets in their own lock screen, or you can just go also to settings and then select wallpaper and then select customize and then select add widgets. And then here you have Saturn app, so you just need to find it. So there it is. So now you have class progress. So you can show your class progress or you can install upcoming classes. So here you can just select the widget and then yeah, the other widget is just you can instantly open the Saturn app class, or you can see like what are upcoming classes and then just tap done. So that's basically the idea how you can install these lock screen widgets for Saturn app. But if you can install it, make sure that you are actually downloaded the app. And second, you need to log in and select your school. So you need to be logged in with your school in Saturn app. Otherwise, you won't be able to install lock screen widgets.